In this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of a home that was recently reduced $16,000. So if you like property tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to be a resource for you. My contact information will be in the description below. All right, today I am out in the Cross Creek area in Tampa, Florida. If you're not familiar with where that is, it is northeast of Tampa Palms, New Tampa, that area. Yeah, so enough talking. Let's start the tour. All right, this one is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, 28 square feet, built in 2002. It does have a pool, and it was originally listed at $650,000 and just was recently reduced down to $634,000. Property taxes are $51.79 per year, and there is an annual association fee of $1,075. This is a gated community, so you have that. All right, let's go inside, take a look at this one, and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, so when you first come in, greeted huge area here. You have your mirrors right straight away, but this looks like, I don't know if that's what kind of tile it is, if that's travertine or marble that's coated, and then you obviously have your wood-like laminate flooring. Let's start over to the right. So to the right, you're gonna have right here, you have French doors. It's gonna be a office, or a flex room is what they call it, so you can use it for whatever you want. You got these big windows looking out the front, ceiling fan. This will be a nice office there. And then right here is going to be the master bedroom with access out to the pool. And I unlocked that door to go out to the pool, but we will go out in a different part of the home. All right. Right here, you're gonna have closet number 1. And then right behind me, closet number 2. And then on in to the bathroom. All right, when you walk in, you have a linen closet here. There is a pocket door, so if you want to close things, a little privacy, you got your pocket door there. Your dark wood cabinets and your granite countertops with your dual vanities, the glass bowls, which I'm not a huge fan of. Personally, I think all this needs to be updated, but you have your big soaker tub and your walk-in shower. And then your toilet is going to be right here. Right, let's go back on in. So then you have one access from the master to the pool. You have this access right here. Coming on around, let's just start on this side. So right here is going to be your laundry room. And then out to your 3-car garage. right, coming in out of the garage, going to the left, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms over here. So bedroom number 2 right here. And then bathroom number 2. And a linen closet right outside the bathroom. And then bedroom on number 3. The big area there in front of the window. All right. And then coming out, here is your kitchen. You have the darker wood cabinets, your granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. This does have a gas range. Your dual sink, your double bowl sink, and then your sliders there, which as you can see on the outside, there's a bar top there, which is nice for entertaining. And then this is your living room, family room, nice tall ceilings, gigantic fan. And then obviously this was framed out to where the TV was mounted. Big windows. And then you're gonna have bedroom number 4 back here, which, I mean, it's the design with the door. I mean, obviously if you leave it open, you can't get to this bathroom here, so you just need to have the door closed. But then you have a pocket door once again here, and your 3rd bathroom right here. Walk-in shower, and then access to outside to go to the pool. And I'm not gonna go that way because I haven't been out to see if this screen is unlocked or the door on the pool cage. So I don't wanna walk over there and of course now I gotta fight this. Come on. Why the heck is this not unlocking? Okay, well, we'll go around to the master bedroom, but this has the collapsible sliders. So that's nice. Open it up. Well, we'll walk back around here. All right, so coming out, you have your covered lanai here with the ceiling fan there. There's that bar top that I was talking about off of the kitchen. Your triple sliders there. Sliders here. So this, I'm assuming there was an outdoor kitchen at one point with the exhaust right there. And your water hookups, and then your pool and spa. So nice sized pool and your spa there, and it is fenced around. Pool equipment over here in the corner. Give your white vinyl fence. Walk around here, show you this side of the yard. But that's gonna do it for this property. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought about this property. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information will be in the description below. But until next video, take care.